Good day, my name is Jessica Morona. I'm a student from CPET A1. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I created this video for my midterms for microprocessor, and I do create a script. Please allow me to read it. So hello again. This video is for my midterms for microprocessor. And this video is about my overview or reflection for these three topics: the development of GPUs or GPU, the application or intelligent driving vehicles, and future. Those topics are given to us by our professor through the classrooms. So just be review or reflection what I've learned from those videos after watching it. So the first topic will be the evolution of GPUs. Right? In the beginning of the video, we see the development of GPUs, which started off as mere processor, predominantly for gaming and visual graphics. Their only task was to speed up the throughput of images in such a way that the games appeared smooth and realistic. However, something major happened. People discovered that in certain scenarios, GPUs could do thousands of parallel calculations at the same time, whereas CPUs are not designed for that. This single discovery changed the whole scenario. The GPU, which was just an accessory for gaming, turned into an indispensable technology in modern computing, among others for artificial intelligence, deep learning, huge data simulation, and scientific research. Uh, NVIDIA and a few other companies embraced this tradition by building GPUs that were purposefully tailored for AI tasks. This evolution set the stage for the GPUs to become the brains driving the modern day sophisticated systems. The video demonstrates quite effectively that the GPU's trajectory was not a result of deliberate planning. It was simply a technology route that matured in response to increasing power and speed requirements. So the second topic would be intelligent driving vehicles. The second video reveals the role of GPUs in intelligent driving in autonomous vehicles. The contemporary vehicles are equipped with a variety of sensors, such as cameras, lidar, radar, and ultrasonic sensors. These scenarios create massive data streams of information every second. The CPU by itself is unable to process all of that at the same pace. Thus, GPU becomes into the picture where it can perform thousands of computations at the same time, which enables the vehicles to sense pedestrians, decipher traffic signs, categorize barriers, foresee actions, and decide in no time at all. Thanks to GPUs, the machines are capable of seeing, thinking, and acting just like humans in an instant. The video underscores how GPU-driven solutions not just make autonomous vehicles smarter, but also safer and more trustworthy. The case of failure of self-driving cars without GPUs is not even theoretical. The last topic is about the future for AI. In the third video, the question gets asked: are the likes of metaverse, digital twins, and sophisticated AI ever the future, or simply the case of tech hype? The video narrates that a lot of the innovations are first as fanciful ideas and only later become real. Some examples are digital twins. The concept of a digital twin is nothing other than a virtual representation of physical entity, and in some cases, even a whole city. Industries are thereby benefiting, anticipate complications, streamline processes, elevate the safety, trim the cost down. The digital twin concept was made possible with GPUs, as the technology involves simulating the large scale in real time. Next is the metaverse. The metaverse is backed by the power of GPUs for representing the real-time 3D immersive worlds. It may be very much in its infancy, but still, the viewpoint is how fast technology will lead to it and how people will accept it. The takeaway from the video is quite clear. Some concepts may be regarded as exaggerated claims presently, but eventually they could become the cornerstone of the next generation of the world. So as for my reflection as a future engineer, a person like me cannot help but get amazed, inspired by the fact that GPUs evolved from mere one function to the main driver of the current tech revolution. It clearly proves that the source of innovation can be most trivial things, even a gaming drink. Developing thoughts on the future of technology as a future engineer, I would assume AI and machine learning will keep on improving and developing into mind. Driverless cars will not only be safer, but also become a daily life. Concept of digital twins will be robust for industries and city planning. And lastly, the metaverse will create avenues for communication, commerce, and entertainment that are not yet envisioned. However, responsible usage would be the return part of the deal. Let us, as a society, make a resolution that technology would be used rightly, safely, and for common good. As for the overall conclusion, all in all, that in the video come to prove that the GPUs have evolved into a hallmark of contemporary computing, from accelerating complex neural networks to powering immersive visual experiences. GPUs have become the silent workhorses behind today's most advanced technologies. AI, robotics, self-driving cars, simulation, and virtual reality are just some of the fields that really rely heavily on GPU performance. And each of these areas continues to push the limits of what these processors can do. Even fields beyond traditional computing, such as medicine, finance, architecture, climate science, and education, now depend on GPU driving system to analyze the vast amount of data, render high fidelity models, and generate real-time prediction with unparalleled accuracy. What makes GPU even more remarkable is their ability to democratize innovation. With cloud-based GPU access and open source frameworks, students, researchers, and startups can now explore ideas that once required massive, expensive infrastructure. This accessibility has paved the way of breakthrough in the small laboratories, independent studios, and university projects, proving that innovation no longer belongs to only the big tech companies. It can emerge from anyone with the curiosity and courage to explore. The future is not just a matter of hype, it is already materializing before our eyes. As GPUs continue to grow more powerful, energy efficient, and optimized for specialized tasks, we can expect even greater leaps in automation, intelligent systems, and digital transformation across all industries. Technologies like real-time language models, photorealistic simulations, autonomous robots, and advanced predictive systems will soon be part of our daily life, our everyday life, not just research environments. The challenge for us as a future engineers and leaders will not be only to keep pace with this rapid evolution, but also to guide it responsibly. It will be a responsibility rather to ensure that the GPU-driven technologies are used ethically, sustainably, and inclusively to solve real problems, uplift communities, and build a technological future that benefits everyone. In the end, our role is not simply to witness these advancements, but to shape them, direct them, and contribute to a future where innovation is aligned with human values and progress. Thank you again. Disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes, and those is based on what I understand in the video link I watched given to us by a professor. So once again, dear Chess and Marona, this is my midterms for microprocessor.